The problem with human hair is that it creates huge amounts of waste which end up in landfill. In the UK, we generate around 6.7 million kilograms of human hair waste each year. And you can imagine that creates a lot of problems. My name is Sanne Visser and I'm a material designer and researcher and currently a design researcher in residence at the Design Museum. What I'm doing as part of the residency is actually researching the huge amounts of human hair waste, but much more on a local level. So I'm actually working with local hairdressers and barbershops to see the problems, but also the opportunities. So in the beginning, I approached different hairdressers in this area, and about 80% was really keen to be involved, and the other sort of 20% wasn't so much. There was either skepticism to the project or to the material or the approach in itself, and that kind of comes down to wider society, how we actually work with the material, the taboo around it. This is one of the areas where I collect my hair, and in this area there's 97 hairdressers in 1 mile radius of the Design Museum.
I'm Peter, I'm a barber, and I've been cutting hair all my life. Tons of it, definitely to fill a football stadium, yes, absolutely, 100%. We put it outside, the dustman take it, and we have to pay the dustman. But now, if there is a way to do something with the hair, I think it's a wonderful idea, because it's a waste, and we waste too much in this country.
Design research is a form of research in practice and by practice done by designers across a range of disciplines, from architecture to product design to fashion design. And in our case, the research we're interested in is focused on climate and the environmental crisis. So a lot of it has to do with decarbonisation. How do you decarbonise our everyday material culture? That means finding alternatives to plastic, to packaging. It means rethinking the way we design things, the materials we design them from, the way they're manufactured. So really, design research is rethinking the nature of the material world.
Sanne's research has a huge amount of potential in it because, of course, human hair is everywhere. And hairdressers, as she's found in her work, are this immense infrastructure that we could be tapping into, reusing this material that we are naturally growing, and which is a very versatile material that can be used for a whole number of different uses, again, as Sanne has shown us.
We've been using human hair for a very long time, so in theory it's nothing new. What I'm interested in is actually looking at the infrastructure and the systems how we use human hair and how that actually is embedded in modern day life.